Hello everyone, myself Pruthi. Today I welcome you all for my investment series. So when it comes to an investment, first thing will come to each and every person's mind. What is the risk is involved? What is the highest returns I will be getting with the lowest risk? So for that, depending upon the investment mentality and the risk mentality, there are three categories. One I would like to talk about low risk category, second one is medium risk category, and third one is high risk category. Firstly, I would like to talk about low risk category. In the low risk category, where the returns are low because the risk what you are taking is low, so the volatility is expected is also low. So what is volatility? Oh, when it comes to volatility, so you have investment in some investment instruments. Let's assume if you have investment 1 lakh on Jan 20th. So after Jan 22nd, it goes to 1,20,000. After few days, it comes to 90,000. After few days, again it goes to 1,30,000. So this is what we call it as volatility. So volatility in the investment is called as volatility. So this is the volatility is negligible, or it will not be there in low risk appetite persons category. So what is the maximum return we can expect in this? The maximum return we can expect is almost maximum 8% is the maximum return we can expect in low risk category. So what is the investment instruments is there in low risk category? Firstly, FD, fixed deposits. Second one is bonds, debentures, the bonds which is offered by the government, RBI, sovereign bonds. These are the bonds which is PSU bonds. These are the bonds which is offered by government, and government saving schemes. So for an example, NPS, NCS, PPF, etc. So these are all the investment options is there in low risk appetite persons. So nextly, second one is medium risk. When it comes to medium risk, firstly the returns are also medium, the volatility is also medium. So what is the returns we can get in this? So it's slightly higher than the FD rates. So maximum we can get up to 12%. So nextly, volatility is also medium. So volatility in this, it is not the similar case as we have seen in the lower appetite risk. So in medium risk, you may end up with the loss also, you may end up with a profit also. The loss is also limited and the profit is also limited. So you need not to worry about that. So you need to bear the both in this. So what is the investment options are there? So debt mutual fund, balance mutual fund, hybrid mutual fund. So these are all the investment instruments which is there in medium risk. So nextly, high risk. So this is the category which is favored for most of the peoples, because it has lot and lot of sectors are open here, lot and lot of investment options are open here. So you can get high return. So firstly, what is the return if we can expect in this? The return what we can expect in this is it's huge. So the profit is not limited, the loss is also not limited. So when it comes to volatility, it's purely fully volatile. You may be expecting a few returns, you may expect a loss also. It is either side, it has a pros and cons. You should be financially knowledge enough to get into the high risk category. So what is the investment options? Investment option is, first one I would like to talk about equity mutual fund and stock market, directly investing in stock market. So firstly I would like to talk about stock market. Stock market is one of the very riskier thing which you have invested today 1 lakh. So after few days it will go to 90,000, after it goes to 80,000, after it takes 1 year to recover that 20,000 and give a profit. So this has happened in many cases, but it may give, if you have invested today, after few days you may get 20,000, 30,000 as a return. It may be there. The stock market is like that. So firstly I would like to give about one stock which was trading in the January 20. The stock name is IndiaMart. The stock was trading at the January 20 was 2000 levels. Now the stock is trading at 7,800 levels. So assume you have invested 1 lakh rupees when you are in Jan 2020. So in Jan 21, the 1 lakh has become 3,70,000. So the returns is almost 300%. So this is 300, 400, 300 to 400% is the maximum return you have got in this. So this is the huge potential of profit, and there is a loss also. If the company has not done well, the economic activities was not good, the company may end up with a loss also, and you will also end up with a loss. So this is the financial knowledge you should be having in entering the stock market. So that knowledge will be given by many offered YouTube channels, and I will also give some knowledge about that. So as I know and my analysis, I will be sharing in this YouTube and all. So this is about risk is involved. This is about high risk. These are the investment category of the different people's mentality. So this is all about investment. So nextly I would like to talk about the low risk, medium risk investment options and high risk investment option in upcoming videos. Please do like, subscribe to my channel for further investment options in all these risk category. So thank you all. Bye bye. Stay tuned. Watch this channel for further videos. Thank you. Bye bye.